friends, and you know that MTET 2021 is going on, and the application process will be start on 16 June. So we are going to class regularly in the night. In this time you will get videos, and if possible then I will get back to you with live classes which will be helpful for your coming exam. And here is the question of mathematics, and I already told you about that my notes and MCQ questions, and I have already give you a classes how can you crack the MTET 2021 EasyWay method. If you have not attended that class or attend that video, you can just check my playlist of MTET, and you can get my last videos of today. And MTET question 2021, that is belongs to paper 1, and I am going to discuss about I focus on paper 1. If possible, if I have time, then I will be I will be back to you with paper 2 classes. Okay, then it will be possible with my laptop, and here is the method that in this board, in this situation, I will be able to understand you about mathematics. Okay, then the difference between the place value and face value of 80 in 5832, this question has derived from your last year questions of MTET 2020, and I am going to solve these questions which will be helpful for you, and you will be understand the basic theme of mathematics and able to solve any type of questions from this any type of question similar to this question. Okay friends, let's start the questions answer. The difference between the place value and face value of 8. We have to know that we have to understand about the place value and face value of a number. Then we have to find any number, the place value and face value. I will give you some examples that by which you can understand what is place value and what is face value. Okay, then if I write a number that is 8. Here 8 is a number, then 8 here is the place value and face value. Okay, you should understand by putting my examples. Okay, if I take an example of 8, then place value is 8 and face value is also 8. If I take an example 10, then if I take the number of I will give you full clarification by which you can understand properly. मैं जब आपको एक सजेशन लिया था मेरे चैनल के ओर से कि आप कौन सी लैंग्वेज पसंद करेंगे मेरे से, जो भी क्लास चलेगा ऑनलाइन वीडियो सब चलेगा, आप मुझे काफ़ी सारे आंसर दिया था कि हमको इंग्लिश में समझ आती है, हिंदी में नहीं। हिंदी थोड़ा रेस्पॉन्स आया था, पर बिल्कुल ज़्यादा लोगों ने मुझे बोला था कि हमको इंग्लिश समझ में आती है, तो वही लिए मैं इंग्लिश में क्लास कर रही हूँ। जब भी आपको कोई दिक्कत पड़े तो मुझे मैसेज कर दिया करो कि मैं बाद में भी कोशिश करूंगा कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हिंदी लाने के लिए और बीच में थोड़ा सा हिंदी बोलने के लिए। ओके, देन वी हैव टू फाइंड द नंबर. ओके, दैट इज नंबर and that is okay. If I take an example of number 10, then if we want the number 1's place value and face value, then 1 place value is tens. Okay, 1 10 means 10, and 1's face value is 1. Okay, clear? Then if I take 2 5 3 8, okay, 2 5 3 8, if I take the number 5, then place value is 5, place value is 500, ones, tens and 100. Okay, this form is ones, this is tens, and this is 100. Okay, clear friends? I think you have already clear. Then 5 number, if I take the number 5, then 5's place value is 500 and face value is only 5. Clear? If I from this number, if I take the number 3, then the place value number 3 is 1 tens, then 3 into tens equals to what? It is equals to 30, and the face value is only 3. Clear friends? Then if I take the number 2, then ones, tens, 100 and 1000. That is what is it will be 2000. Place value is 2000 and face value will be 2. Clear friends? Then we come to the main point and come to the question. Okay, come to the question. Here is the question that we have to find out the place value and face value of which number, of 8 number in the number of 5832. Okay, 5832. That we already knew that 2 is ones. Okay, 3 is tens. Okay, 8 8 is 100. Clear? I think you all clear. 5 is 1000. 5 is 1000. Clear, friends? Then we have to the question is begging is about of 8. So we have to focus on 8. The place value of 8 is 100. That is 800. And the place value of 8 is only 8. Clear, friends? Then he asking about the difference. When we try to difference among the numbers, then we have to subtract from bigger number to smaller number. The bigger number is 800 and the smaller number is only 8. Then if we subtract them, then the answer will become 792. That is your option number D. Clear, friends? Hope you will all clear. Then going to next question. Friends, another question is there, and the product of the two numbers is 105. If one is -7, the number is dash. Then another number is dash. Okay. Then we have to understand about the product and about the minus number and other thing. Okay, I will give you full clarification about this question. And the question is asking about the product of two numbers. If we find out the product, okay, means the product means the multiple. Okay, the product means the multipleness. Okay. Then we knew that we know that minus, if I multiply with minus number with minus, then we will get plus. If we multiply minus with plus is equals to with minus. If we multiply with plus number with plus, then it will come plus. If we multiply plus with minus, then it will come minus. We have to remember this formula to solve this question. Okay. Then the answer is 105, and the multiplication of -7, and we have to find out and we have to give the proper answer. What is the another number? Okay. Then we knew that there is a minus number question. Then if you find out the minus, then another it is in plus. Okay, the answer is in plus. Then we have to find out the result is plus and the question is minus. Then that will be must be this one or this one, this one or this one. Okay. This one, because minus into minus is equals to plus. Then here is equals to what? Then minus into what we don't know. We will be find out what will be. Then that is answer is plus. The answer is plus. We have to find out that this answer is plus and this answer is plus. Clear, friends? Then the two answer may be the right answer. Okay. Then this is minus, so here is the no minus are there, so we can delete it and we can minus from this answer. Okay. Then the minus into minus is equals to plus. Then whenever it minus, then other answer will be other answer must be minus. Other number is must be in minus. So -7 is equals to it must be what? It must be minus. Then we have to divide 105 by 7. We have to divide 105 by 7. Then we will get the answer 15. Then it must be 15 minus 15. Clear, friends? Hope you will clear it. Another question is here that the LCM of 36, 24 and 48 is. Then we have to find out what is the LCM of these three numbers. Okay. Then the LCM, if we talking about LCM, then we have know some minimum thing, the multiplication table. Okay, the multiplication table you have to know. Then you can solve this type of questions. Okay. Then multiplication of the LCM of 36, 24 and 48. Clear, friends? Then we have to find out that which number and which multiplication number will be divided by these three numbers. Okay. Then we got that must be 2. We have to focus on the minimum number. Okay, so this is 2. Then we can find out that 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Okay, these numbers can be taken in this format. In this these numbers multiplication table can be taken in this format. Okay. If we divide 36 by 2, then it will be 18. Then it will be 12, and it will be 24. Clear, friends? Then we come to know that must be also divided by also 2. then it will be 9, then it is 6, then it is 12. Then here we see that 6 and 12 are divided by 2, but not 9 is divided by 2. So we have to focus on 3, because 3 is divided by 9, 6, 12 is divided by 3. So here is the 3 into 3 is equals to 9, 3 into 2, 3 into 4. Clear, friends? Then we came to at last that these are not any number multiplication number, that these three numbers will be divided. So we have reached at the last. So we have to multiply these numbers. The LCM is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 4. Okay. Here is the last point also we can be do, that is 2 and 4 can be divided by 2. If there are three numbers, if two numbers are divided by any multiplication number, then you will divide them. So if 3 is not divided by 2, so it will come in same number. Okay, then 2 by 1, then 2 is equals to 2 into 2 into is equals to 4. Clear, friends? Then we have to multiply them. 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 2. Clear, friends? We have to multiply them. Then we get 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12, 12 into 2 24, 24 into 3 72, 24 into 3 72, 72 into 1 is equals to 72, 72 into equals to 144. Then here is the answer, number C, 144 is the LCM of 36, 24 and 48. Hope you will understand these questions. Here are the question, and we will discuss again and again the other question, and we will go through online classes also. Then the video is going on long, so I want to make some short videos which will be helpful for you and will helpful for me also. Okay, friends, thanks. If you like my video, then share with your friends and subscribe my channel for next update, next videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.